No spark. Well, let's see if this one don't run either. No, this one has spark. Well, that one runs. Let's see why this one don't start. Need a 3/8 pull that recoil off. You know, these things could have been sitting for 3-4 years too. You just never know. Jeez. Might look, I'll break that bolt. Snapped it. Son of a gun. Okay, let's disconnect the kill wire. No spark with the kill wire off, so the coil's bad. I need a 5/16. Oh, there's a bunch of